Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs in UAE. Let's see the working interview and other available vacancies on today. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new updates with notification and kindly press like button to motivate me for regular videos. Let's see the working interview conducting on 18th May on timing 9 am to 12 pm at Bloom Facilities Management, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are AC technician and electrician. Interview location is at Bloom Center, Old Airport Road near Al Wada Mall, Abu Dhabi. Let's see the walking interview conducting on 18th May, timing 9 am to 2 pm at Shobha Construction, Dubai. The vacancies are HSC Inspector, Office Clerk, Waterproofing Technicians, Marble Masons, Spray Painters, Concrete Mixer Driver, Concrete Pump Operator. The location comes at Shobha 1, 112 Rasulkot Street, Rasulkot Industrial Area 1, Dubai. The next vacancy is at Al Khoury Hotels, Dubai. Vacancy for AC Technician. Send your resume by email hr.executive@alkhoury-ctyd.com. Next vacancy is at Me by Melia, Dubai. Vacancies are Assistant Area Manager, Front Office Supervisors, Receptionist and Sales Executives. Requirements are possession of a luxury background, proficient in English, proficient in any one of the following language, Arabic, Russian or Spanish. Send your resume by email hr.medubai@melia.com. Next vacancy is at Sierra Car Rental, Sharjah. Vacancy for Operations Executives. Requirement is minimum 2 years experience is required. Send your resume by email careers@sierrarental.com. Next vacancy is at Al Ghazal Golf Club, UAE. Vacancies are Korean chef, head bartender, timekeeper, Chinese coordinator and night watchman. Send your resume by email hr@alghazalgolfclub.ae. Next vacancy is at Life Pharmacy, UAE. Vacancy for bike drivers. Send your resume by email careers@life-me.com. Next vacancy is at Adam Vital Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Center, Dubai. Vacancy is for Insurance Coordinator. Send your resume by email careers@adamvital.ae. Next vacancy is at New Heights Technologies LLC. Vacancy for Telesales Sales Executive. Send your resume by email info@newheightstechnology.com by WhatsApp 052 534 8192. Next vacancy is at Realtise Me, Ajman. Vacancy for Van Sales Executives. Requirement is minimum 4 years experience in FMCG industry. Send your resume by email sharif@realtaseme.com. Next vacancy in Realtise is for packing staff. Send your resume by email sharif@realtaseme.com. Next vacancy is at Mapshore. Vacancies are phlebotomist for 36 numbers, team leader for phlebotomist, radiographer 25 number and team leader for radiographer. Send your resume by email recruitment@mapshore.com by WhatsApp 052 147 7902. Next vacancy is at Diafa International School. Vacancies are EAL teacher, English HOD, geography teacher, food technology teacher, English teacher, physics teacher, career counselor, special education teacher, music teacher, head of physical education. Send your resume by email careers@diafaschool.com. Next vacancy is at Ralph Recruitment, Dubai in IB teachers for science, psychology, business BTech, maths and humanities. Send your resume by email info@ralphrecruit.com. Next vacancy is at Penda Investment. Vacancies are cleaner 5 number, runner 5 numbers, cashier 2 numbers, sous chef pastries 1 number, bakery chef 1 number, and storekeeper. Send your resume by email imad@pendainvestment.net. Next vacancy is at Gardenia Contracting. The vacancy for MEP Document Controller. Send your resume by email hr@gardenia.ae. Next vacancy in Gardenia Contractor is MEP Storekeeper. Send your resume by email hr@gardenia.ae. Next vacancy is at Cardiff General Transport, Mafraq, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are mechanical foreman with heavy vehicle and light vehicle driving license, mechanic, heavy vehicle and light vehicle, helpers and tireman. Send your resume by email careers@cardiffuae.com. Next vacancy is at Alsai Group. Vacancy for sales executive. Send your resume by email careersasg2024@gmail.com, by WhatsApp 058 283 3297. Next vacancy is at Mazin Document Clearing Services, Dubai. The vacancy for lady staff accountant cum admin. Send your resume by WhatsApp 055 256 1141. Next vacancy is at Interco Aluminium, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy for aluminium fabricator. Send your resume by WhatsApp 056 406 1615. Next vacancy is for a medical coder in Ajman. Requirement is 1 to 2 years. Send your resume by email careers@jabalsina.ae. Next vacancy is at Gulf International LLC, UAE. Vacancy for merchandiser. Send your resume by email careers@gulfintl.ae. Next vacancy is for an assistant teacher. Send your resume by email psinfo1990@gmail.com. Thanks for watching my channel Jobs in UAE. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to get daily UAE job vacancies.